Video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video from your camera roll to Google Slides. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate video content into your presentations. First, open Google Slides in your web browser. Type Google Slides into the search bar or enter the URL directly to reach the homepage. Once there, sign in to your Google account. This step is essential because all your work and edits will be saved directly to your Google Drive. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, especially if it's your first time using Google Slides. Next, create a new blank presentation. Look for the large plus sign or the button labeled Create under the Start a New Presentation section. Clicking this will open a blank canvas where you can begin building your presentation. With your presentation open, focus on the menu bar at the top of the screen and click Insert. This menu lets you add various items to your slides, such as images, text, charts, and video. Hover over and select the video option from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear showing multiple ways to insert a video. Since we want to upload a video from your camera roll, choose the Google Drive method. This opens a window displaying all video files stored in your drive. Before doing this, ensure your video is already uploaded to Google Drive. Google Slides only accesses video stored in your drive, so this step is crucial. Once you see your video, select it and click Select. The video will now appear on your slide. Adjust its size and position by clicking and dragging the corners of the video player to ensure it fits your slide design perfectly. Double check the placement and size, then continue building the rest of your presentation around this engaging visual content. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded a video from your camera roll to Google Slides, making your presentations more dynamic and interactive. Repeat this process for future presentations to add more engaging media content. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.